Welcome to my video, Mediating Between Sound and Image in Repetition Studies, Part 1. This video is meant to highlight the self-play subpatch, including taking a look at what's mediating between max and jitter elements in my work, Repetition Studies. I did post a few recent repetition studies that rely on this self-play subpatch, but I will also leave some links to those videos so you can look later. So, this video is not going to focus on aesthetic issues, but a few technical things involving max. Also important to note is this approach that I'm going to show you is kind of a work in progress, so we're still experimenting, and I admit that there are probably more elegant ways to do these types of processes, but you know, what can you do? So let's just take a look at the patch. By the way, there's also a video labeled Demo Sample Player, which I can also provide a link to in case you have not seen that one. Turn up the levels, and let's turn on the self-play. Ah, yes, it's working. It's always a good sign. So, here's the self-play. And you can see that there's three main buttons that are taking messages from jitter. Right there. And then you also have another button sending a bang from this subpatch, the more subpatch. Let's open that. So if you look down at the bottom, you'll see that I put two buttons there. It could have actually had three. Basically, I've just tweaked this whole system to give me a certain feel, if you will, for what seems to be working with the samples that I've provided, that I've loaded into the sample player. It's pretty self-explanatory how I made these. You can kind of see there's nothing really complicated about it, but I can give you a link also afterward to contact me further about these patches. Just kind of like watching all the buttons here. So that's, in essence, what's happening between jitter and max. So you're going to see these receives, and I have three of them, and they pass bang messages through to the poly objects. And the gates open when I press the toggle in the control section. See? On, off, on, off. And there's a bang message that gets sent through to another gate, which opens up by the orangey colored button. I don't know what you call that color, but when that sends out a bang, that triggers that switch, which might allow the message to get passed from the more subpatch. Okay, so if we just take a look here in a different perspective, kind of see the flow of messages going to and from the jitter side and the max side. So that's part one. And thank you for watching. And part two is on the way. See you guys soon. Thanks.